All right, yes, thank you, John. I love rhubarb. If you go to farmers markets, you're probably seeing this everywhere. And like you said earlier, it's a good season for rhubarb right now.
It is, absolutely. It's rained a lot, and rhubarb loves rain. I'm always amazed when I look at the rhubarb pictures from Alaska, where they have like 60 inches of rain.
And they're huge.
The leaves are just monstrous.
I know.
So.
I was amazed when I went there how big the vegetables grow with so much sunlight in the summer and a lot of rain. So this is a recipe you've been using for a while, and your grandkids love it?
Yep, we made it last Friday. It's a good one to have them help you with because it is truly dump. You just dump it into the pan and you're ready to go.
We like that, and we see the recipe there on the screen. It's also on our Facebook page, our Pure Nebraska Facebook page, if people want to go there for it. So how do we begin?
Okay, glass dish. Rhubarb doesn't like aluminum. Make sure it's a glass or a stoneware dish or something like that, or an enameled pan, but don't use any aluminum because the acid in the rhubarb reacts.
Really?
Yeah, it gets icky.
Ooh,
so
don't like that.
No.
Okay.
So we've got about 4 cups of rhubarb, 4 or 5, just in the bottom of the pan. And then if you want to take the sugar and just sprinkle it over top, just wherever it lands is good. I did grease the pan beforehand.
Okay.
It doesn't stick a lot, but just in case. So.
Perfect.
And then we're going to take this yellow cake mix, and it doesn't have to be anything special, just a yellow cake mix, and just all over the rhubarb.
Okay. I like this. Okay.
Yep. And kind of smooth it out so you don't have a whole lot of bumps and ridges.
So dump and smooth a little bit.
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah.
All right.
And then we've got butter, a stick and a half, which means 3/4 of a cup. Spread all over that, and real butter. June's coming up, and it is dairy month. So
I do love real butter.
Real butter.
Okay.
And then you're going to bake that for about 40 minutes at 350, and that's it.
That's it?
That's it.
Do you like to serve it hot, or can you serve
I like it
cold?
both ways. If it's warm, of course, a big old scoop of ice cream, or some whipped cream, or even just straight cream out of the carton is good.
Okay.
So this is the finished product.
Great, like it.
And it is awesome.
And again, just dump it on your plate, right?
There you go. Yep.
Doesn't matter.
Yep. Nope. And if you get it just right, the cake mix has gotten a little bit crispy from the butter.
Yeah.
And
I like that when it gets crispy.
Yep.
This is really good, Ruth.
It's easy and quick, and when you need dessert and you don't have anything made, this is it.
And again, you can use a fresh rhubarb, or you can get it frozen.
Right.
To have it on hand. But always looking for good rhubarb recipes, and this is one. Again, it's on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page. Back to you, John.